U.S. Embassy announces new rules for Jamaican temporary work visas. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The United States Embassy in Kingston, Jamaica has announced a Jamaican temporary worker security program set to take effect on January the 1st, 2025, introducing changes for applicants seeking temporary work visas. The initiatives aim to address concerns about unregistered foreign labor recruiters who have been accused of charging illegal fees and placing Jamaican workers at unapproved work sites in the United States. These practices, according to the embassy, have led to instances of labor trafficking and debt bondage, compromising the safety of Jamaican workers and the violation of U.S. laws. The new requirements will impact applicants for the H-2B temporary non-agricultural workers, J-1 exchange visitors, and the Q-1 international cultural exchange visitors visas. Starting in 2025, all applicants must include information about their recruiting agency when completing the DS-160 electronic application form. Applicants must answer the question, did anyone assist you in preparing your application, with details of their recruiter. Application missing this will be suspended until the required details are provided. The embassy will cross-check the recruiter information with the list maintained by Jamaica's Ministry of Labor and Social Security and the U.S. Department of Labor. If an unregistered recruiter is identified, the application will be rejected, and the applicant will need to resubmit with a listed recruiter. In specific cases, such as workers with recent temporary work travel or application petitioned directly by the U.S. employers without a recruiting agency, the embassy will waive the recruiter requirement. The embassy also reminds applicants that acting as an unregistered recruiter for overseas employment violates Jamaica's Employment Agencies Registration Act. Furthermore, the U.S. authorities do not mandate to use third-party agents to secure job offers. Applicants may work directly with U.S. employers or designated sponsor organizations, such as those listed for the J-1 visas on the U.S. Department of State's website. These measures are part of a broader effort to protect Jamaican workers and ensure compliance with labor laws in both countries. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.